Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Ajit Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. Today we have going to learn Standard 8th entire Sanskrit lesson number 4 Dvau, Dve, Dve. These are the dual form of the Sankhyavatchak Visheshan Dvi. In previous lesson, we learned about singular and plural form of the word. In this lesson, we have going to learn about the dual forms, means dvivachan. Students, here again we learn the basic form of the pronoun tat in masculine, sah, tau, te. Feminine, sa, te, taha. In neuter gender, tat, te, tani. Next, form of the etat in masculine, eshah, etau, ete. Feminine, esha, ete, etaha. Neuter gender, etat, ete, etani. Next, Prashnarthak Sarvanam, the form of the kim in masculine, kah, kau, ke. Feminine, ka, ke, kaha. And in neuter gender, kim, ke, kani. So, we here learn about the dvivachan, dual form of the word. Let us start our lesson. Etau or tau. These are the dual form of the etat and tat respectively. The first picture, etau shunakau. These are two dogs. Etau khadatah. They are eating. The question, kau khadatah. Who are eating? Answer, etau shunakau khadatah. These two dogs are eating. Now, here we see with etau form, we use shunako as a dual form of the basic noun shunak. Now we see the dual form of some nouns like chhatra, chhatrau, ashva, ashvau, purusha, purushau, balaka, balakau, etc. And for the verb, we using a tah suffix adding with the basic root. Khada, khadatah, khela, khelatah, gaya, gayatah, patha, pathatah, gaccha, gachatah, etc. And for making the questions, we use kau words instead of etau and tau. Now we see the second picture, tau balau, that are boys. Or we say those are boys. Those are two boys. Tau khelatah, they are playing. Kau khelatah, who are playing? Tau balau khelatah. Those two boys are playing. Understood? Okay, so second point, ete and te. These are the feminine. Okay, the dual form of the etat and tat. Ete gaike. These are singers. These are female singers. Ete gayatah. They are singing. Ke gayatah. Who are singing? Answer is ete gaike gayatah. These two singers are singing. Second picture. ते विद्यार्थिनौ, that are students, or we say those are female students. ते पठतः, they are studying. के पठतः, who are studying. ते विद्यार्थिन्यौ पठतः, those female students are studying. So here we use के word instead of एते and ते for making the question. And we learn in Strilingi dual form of the word बालिका बालिके, चटका चटके, महिला महिले, पिपीलिका पिपीलिके. And the word which are ending in dirgha e, विद्यार्थिनी विद्यार्थिन्यो, अंगुली अंगुल्यो, लेखनी लेखन्यो, कुपी कुप्यो, द्रोणी द्रोण्यो, etc. Now similarly in neuter gender also we use the word ete and te. First one, ete vahane, these are two vehicles. Ete gachatah, they are going. Ke gachatah, who are going. Ete vahane gachatah, these two vehicles are going. In second picture, te pushpe, that are flowers, or those are flowers. Te vikasatah, they are blooming. Ke vikasatah, who are blooming. Te pushpe vikasatah, those two flowers are blooming. So here we learn dual form of the word in neuter gender. For Napunsakalinga, Vahanam Vahane, Pushpam Pushpe, Kamalam Kamale, Patram Patre, etc. And we use ke word instead of ete or te for frame the questions. Students, here we completed our lesson. Now listen these words carefully by heart and revise it. The form of basic noun deva, mala and vana. Deva, pullingi words. Devah, devau, devaha. Mala, strilingi word. Mala, male, malaha. Vana, neuter words. Vanam, vane, vanani. Here we learn the form of the basic noun regarding their gender in 3 number, means ekvachan, dvivachan and bahuvachan. This chart note down in your notebook and by heart very well. Now we turn towards the bhashabhyasah. Talikam purayat. Complete the table. In first column we see the sentence in singular form, and second column the sentence which are showing the dual forms. Okay. Chhatrah patati. Chhatro pathatah. Vyagrah garjati. Then we write here Vyagro garjatah. The third sentence, they show the dual form Marjaro pipatah. We convert into singular form Marjarah pibati. The next one, in singular form Gajah gachati. We change it Gajau gachatah. The next one, Purushau pashyatah. Convert into singular Purushah pashyati. Okay, correct. The next one, question number 2. Melanam kuruta means match the column. In first column they show the singular word, and in second column they show dual form of the word. Match it properly. The question number 3. Chitrani alikhata. Draw the picture. First, Kamale vikasatah. Kamale means two lotus. Vikasatah are blooming. So we show two lotus, two blooming lotus. Okay, draw it properly. Now, see the meaning of the sentence. Second, Nauke taratah. Two boats are flowing. Third, Simho garjatah. Two lions are roaring. Fourth, Mayuro nrutyatah. Two peacocks are dancing. Fifth, Megha varshatah. Two clouds are showering. Sixth one, Phale patatah. Two fruits are falling. Now, the question number 4. Chitravarnanam kuruta. Here, we see the 4 pictures and they draw here 2 subjects with some actions. So, we use here dual form of the word. Okay, use the proper noun and verb and make the sentence properly. Students, note down all these question and answer in your notebook and by heart the chart of the pronoun. Thank you.